Hey, it's Tom ZEEB'S with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in today's quick video, I'm going to teach you where this real estate investing thing works. Stay tuned. An excellent question came up at one of my one-day rapid cash generator masterclasses, and the student asked me, he said, Tom, where does this work? Like, where do I have to go to have this work for me? How can I become a real estate investor? Do I need to be in a particular part of the country? Because what if I'm in a pricier area, or what if I'm in a poorer area, not as pricey? I said, here's the thing. There's two things you need to make this business work. One, you need houses. Two, you need people. And I don't mean that facetiously. As long as you have houses and people, you can make this business work. Here's why. We deal with rundown, dilapidated houses that need to be repaired, or properties that are desirable as rentals and they need to be fixed up a little bit. So that's the first part. We need houses. The second part, that we need a person. We need a person to have a problem. We're after motivated sellers, and motivated sellers are the key to the business. So when we find somebody, they're motivated because of a problem. So when we find somebody with a problem, we can market to them, and that their problem is the reason that they will sell us the property for less than what it's worth, less than the market value, less than the as-is value. And a lot of times you have to remember, if you're buying a property that is run down and in need of repair, then the act of repairing it, the act of rehabbing it, is what's going to create that extra value. So it's not even that you're getting it at a ridiculous discount versus what it is today. It's that you're getting it at a good discount versus what it can be tomorrow. And since people are everywhere, and since people always have problems, think about what the problems that people have. They lose their job, they have to leave town, they move into a new town, they start having kids, or their kids get older and leave the house. They're getting old and can't handle going up and down the stairs with their knees anymore. Maybe they lost a job and have to leave town, or they've gained a job and are coming into town. There's all sorts of different reasons: probate, divorce, etc. Death is what probate is. All of that. There's so many different ways that people get motivated and become motivated sellers. So what you're looking for is a great area with houses and people, and you can find that anywhere. What I teach you how to do works in all 50 states and the District of Columbia, and my contracts work in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. That keeps it super simple. So the real answer to this question, as in where is it going to work, what you really mean is where is it going to work for you? It's going to work wherever you want to be. So you want to do it in your own backyard? Do you want to do it somewhere you want to be? Do you want to do it in New York, in California, in Florida, in Chicago, in Texas, in Boston, in Seattle, and anywhere in between? Where do you want to be? Is it the place where you're from? Is it the place where your parents live? Is it the place where your kids are going to school? It can work anywhere. The goal is that you make it work for you in those areas. So you start marketing in an area, you find those motivated sellers, you put those deals together, negotiate them into great deals, get them on the contract, and sell them to another investor looking for a property in that area. So that's today's quick tip. It's Tom ZEEB'S with TractionRealEstateMentors.com, signing off.